Hello, this is Ralph with HoppeLocks.com. What we have here today is we have a brand new Hoppe gearbox, and it's actually on the faceplate. It's easily removed with two screws, 1 and 2, and then that comes off, and basically you have your gearbox ready for replacement. Now what it is this one's broken. If you notice where the handle where it goes through, inside of there's a gear system that actually throws this little drive rail. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a drive rail that goes inside of there. And that gear system, when it wears out, you'll hear a clicking sound. And then because it's not like this one where it's perfectly straight. So what it is the handle is actually drooping or hanging down or sagging or whatever. So this lock was in bad shape. It had the clicking noise, which tells me that the gears are going and they're starting to strip. And then the handle was not returning back in its rest position. Okay, so in order to order this lock, what you need to do is you need to measure the back set first, okay, which is this distance right here. The distance between this faceplate to the center. Now it's either going to be 1 3/8, 1 3/4, 2 3/8, or 2 3/4. That is typically the only 4 back sets that are offered by Hoppe. Now, if it's handle over top of cylinder, that's going to be 92 millimeters. So we don't really need that. We just need to know that it's handle over top of cylinder. Okay? That means that is an HLS-9000 series. And the last measurement is this deadbolt. Does it come out a 1/2 inch or 1 inch? Okay, that's pretty simple. So this is an HLS-9000 series gearbox that is 1 3/4 or 45 millimeters, 92/25. So 25 millimeters is 1 inch, 45 millimeters is 1 3/4, and 92 is 3 5/8. So what you would say is you would need a gearbox, which is 45, 92, 25. And that's it. They ship out, and we always try to keep them in stock. Best I know, we're one of the only companies that actually sell the gearbox. We're authorized distributors of Hoppe Locks, and that's pretty much it. Let me know if you need any help, and I am Ralph at HoppeLocks.com. Thank you very much, and take care.